Hey, the first time I hit play on the STR-AN1000, the room changed. This is for the person who's watched big movies, epic games, and late-night shows and thought, yeah, this could feel bigger. If you've ever noticed sound that didn't quite surround you the way it should, that's not just you, that's a gap between what you're seeing and what you're hearing. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and stock, because receivers with real Atmos presence and calibration tech don't hang around forever. You know that quiet bit of frustration, the one where an explosion hits but doesn't shake the room, or footsteps sound flat instead of dimensional? That moment when your gear felt like it was almost there? That was your cue that compromises were weighing you down. You weren't imagining it, performance was simply holding back your experience. The first time I powered on the STR-AN1000, it didn't just output audio, it placed sound around me. Dolby Atmos and DTS:X didn't just add channels, they added space. It felt like audio wasn't just coming at me, it was living around me. Dialogue became anchored, effects gained depth, the whole room became part of the story. Once you feel that kind of presence, standard sound feels like a distant echo in comparison. Picture this, a thunderstorm overhead that doesn't just play, it arrives. In-game battles where sound cues actually tell you what's behind you. Movie scores that fill the room like a live performance. Music that doesn't sit in front of you, it moves through you. And then there's the digital Cinema Auto Calibration IX. It listens, adjusts, and optimizes everything for your space. You don't guess at settings, the system knows your room and makes it feel right. That's not convenience, that's confidence built into the hardware. And if you're hesitating because you think maybe waiting for something cheaper or waiting for a sale might be better, notice this: every time you look at almost as good options, you come right back to what actually feels immersive. That's loss aversion talking. You've heard flat audio before and you don't want to feel it again. One of the real surprises with this receiver is how natural it stays even when you push it. You crank volume and it doesn't strain or flinch, it just stays composed, articulate, and clear. That kind of calm control makes every session feel effortless. You're not managing your gear, you're living with it. You feel presence in every scene, you hear clarity you missed before, you enjoy music with real depth, you trust your system completely, you finally feel proud of your setup. It's not hard to set up, it's not limited to one type of media at some point, endless spec comparisons just slow you down. You've lived with ordinary sound long enough to know the difference between sound you hear and sound you feel. Once you've experienced real, room-filling performance, anything less feels like a compromise you don't want to make. So if you're ready to stop watching from the edge of your audio and start living inside every moment of your movies, games, and music, check that price, check availability, and go for it. STR-AN1000 doesn't just play sound, it brings your world to life, and honestly, you're ready for that.